Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve UCRT base underscore clr0400.Dll is either not designed to run on Windows or it contains an error. So UCRT base underscore DLL file is a software component of Microsoft Visual C++ that is an IDE developed by Microsoft. The UCRT base underscore clr0400.Dll error message will appear when applications fail because the file is missing or corrupted and incompatible with their requirements and malware infections. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to re-register the DLL. So all you have to do is open up on a search menu and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and then select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. So here at administrator command prompt, and then next step, so we need to enter and type this command keyword regsbr32 space /u space ucrt base underscore clr0400.Dll. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command, and then we need to paste in here. Use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B and then press enter. So once you enter this first command and the other command that we need to enter, so just copy this command keyword regsbr32 space /I space ucrt base underscore clr0400.Dll. So copy that command keyword and then we need to paste in here. So Ctrl+B and then press enter. Alright, and then next step, so once you do this at administrator command prompt to this two command keyword, and then we need to close and you need to restart your PC. Okay, so click only restart. So after you restart your PC, and the other solutions we will do is to perform malware scan. So all you have to do is open up on a search menu, and then here as search for apps, and then you need to type Windows Security and then click open. And once you open up this Windows Security at left side menu, and then you need to select virus and threat protection. So click, and on right side, and then under at current threats, and then you need to select this scan option. So here at scan option, so we have 4 options here that we need to do. So number 1 is the quick scan, full scan, custom scan, and the last one, the Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. So all you have to do is to select this Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. So click this circle and then you need to click this scan now. So after completing the scan for antivirus, and then we need to close this Windows Security, and the other solutions we will do is to repair system files. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and then tap run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. So here at administrator command prompt, and then next step, so we need to enter and type this command keyword as fc space /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this SFC scan now, we will perform this at cmd just because this command used in Windows to run the system file checker SFC tool, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. And verification's 100% complete, and then we need to close this CMD at here at start menu, and then we need to restart again your PC. Alright, so click only this restart to fix the error. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix UCRT base underscore clr0400.Dll is either not designed to run on Windows or it contains an error. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.